Okay, children, the time now is 5:30. Children, the time now is 5:30. Let's begin lesson. Usually I will start on time 1. All right, Gisli, can I have you turn on your video? Shiloh, can I have you turn on your video too? Devish, can I see your handsome look, please? All right, because you are the only boy in class. All right, I feel so lonely. All right. Okay, so Shanice, right, where you can do, what you can do sometimes, right, is this. All right. So, for example, you all go to something called live tutorial, right? You all click on live tutorial. All right. And down here, right, is the class for today. See? P3, tutorial 26, Tuesday, 5:30. So you're attending this class. We are learning what? Addition and subtraction in fractions. We are doing some work problems involving fractions. Can you see this? Shanice can see this, right? Okay. Then do you see this part? Complete e-learning lesson 28. So where is the e-learning lesson 28? Where is this e-learning lesson 28? That's the question, Shanice. So you have to go back to just now that dashboard. This is your dashboard. All right, we call this the dashboard. All right, you click under learn. All right, you click under learn, and you go into your learner, the e-learning platform learn. You'll see all this. Can you see? You'll see all this lesson. So all you got to do is to click on number lesson 28. Look. And then adding and subtracting fractions. Can you see that, Shanice? Yeah, so actually, right, you can actually take your Saturday and Sunday, right? Go into this lesson and watch it first. Adding and subtracting fractions. Right, then you can see my twin brother. This is my twin brother. This is the clue. 20 over 20. Can you see now? This is my twin brother. Handsome or not? All right, must let you see the face. Wait. Oh, my goodness. Look at the eyes. So scary. Right, so this is my twin brother. So the twin brother is teaching you what? Something called up and down, which is what? Numerator and denominator, right? Yeah, this one is something called equivalent fraction, right? So this twin brother of mine also teach you how to add, Add the following. All right, can you see or not? Wow. Can you see? So yeah, his handwriting so ugly. My handwriting nicer, right? I know. All right, so actually, right, you can go into lesson 28 to watch the video. After you watch the video, you have some basic idea of what is happening. Once you have the basic idea, right, then you can go into the live tutorial, all right, and you can participate in the worksheet down here. All right, click on the worksheet and you can start doing it already. Understand or not? About 7 questions only. All right, and down here, right, is what I call the what's this called? This is called the virtual keyboard. All right, so some of you, right, never key in properly. All right, some of you got problem keying this in. All right, like Shi En, right? She key in her answer. All right, she key in her answer, but she never used the virtual keyboard. All right, so Shi En, maybe next time you can try to use this one. Click on this one.
How do you use it?
Now I'm showing you. All right, so this is a fraction, right? Don't write as 1 over 5. Don't do this. This is wrong. Don't do this. This is wrong. What must you do? You must click on the virtual keyboard. Click on fraction. Click on 1 and the bottom 5. Click on add and insert. All right, so this will be the answer. All right, next time you try. So I think Shi En, right, she already give some of the answers already, and her answers are correct, but the system not smart enough. So the system marked her wrong. All right, so I feel bad for her. So I need to explain to you how to use the virtual keyboard. All right, so some of you are actually very good, but because the system anyhow mark, give you 0. Yeah, you know. So you're not good, you're good. It's just that system is a bit blur. All right, so you're supposed to do all the questions down here, which is actually quite simple and manageable. Can I show again? Click on this virtual keyboard, this sign. All right, click on the fraction, click on 1 and click on 9, click on add and insert. 5 minus 1 is 4, what? Correct. 9 is the denominator, is correct. So that's how you do it. All right, so eventually you go on to do all the questions and the system will mark for you. Can you see? Yeah, you see? I got question 1 correct, so smart. I got question 2 correct, so smart. The rest is unattempted because I never do lah. Can you understand or not? All right, Shi En and Shanice can All right, so this is the part about the tutorial worksheet. Children, can I say something? All right, because very important, very important. This Saturday, right? This Saturday got special event. This Saturday got something called the master class. All right, click on the master class. Under your dashboard, click on master class. All right, look at this handsome dude. Okay? Right, this is again my twin brother. All right, so my name is Bern Ong, B-E-R-N. All right, his name is Ken Ong. No, sorry, his name is Fen, F-E-R-N. All right, so my name is Bern, B-E-R-N. His name is Fen, F-E-R-N. All right, Fen Ong. Okay, so please remember that this Saturday, right, Fen Ong, Fen On got a lesson, a masterclass, free. All right, it's a free lesson. All right, it's on the 15th July, this Saturday. All right, 10:45 to 12. All right, and the focus of this lesson is to do the guess and check. Right, which is very important for primary 3. You all need to know. Right, because in the exam, sure got one question will come out. Your teacher called me already. Yes, your school teacher called me and tell me that one of these questions will be coming out, the guess and check question. So you must know how to do. Can? All right, so this lesson will be taught by Fen Ong, all right, my twin brother. All right, he'll be doing something called guess and check, and he'll be doing advanced method. The advanced method is called supposition method. All right, so if you are free, children, please come for the 15th July, Saturday, 10:45 to 12 o'clock lesson. Just click on the join now. All right, at that time. All right, and if you want to print out the worksheet, right, you can click on this class prerequisite. This is the worksheet. All right, you click on the worksheet. It's very nice one. All right, the worksheet, look, worksheet is very nice. Where's my worksheet? Wait, where's my worksheet? This is my worksheet. Can you see not? Is it got colors one? Can you see? Chicken and goats. So these are the worksheet. These are the questions. All right, total, I think about 7 questions only. So you can actually click on the worksheet and you can join Fen Ong. You mean all our teachers call you? No. What do you mean? Evan. My name is Ben Ong, but this one is my twin brother. It's called Fen Ong. Yeah. All right. All right. So if you can join us, join me. I'll be the one. My twin brother will be the one teaching. Can?
But
Okay.
if it's your twin brother, why is there your face there?
Because we are twins. Twins means we look alike, Evan. What kind of question is that? All right. So Lavanya, you cannot go. It's okay. Lavanya, don't worry. Look. All right. If you cannot go, right, this lesson is being recorded. Go to your Learn. All right. Go to your Learn. And eventually, right, you can scroll all the way down. Your e-learning platform, your e-learning portal. Look. Scroll all the way down. Look. So there's the May 2023 lesson. Do you see? So this July 2023 will appear the next one. All right. So the next one down here is July 2023. All right. So the lesson will be recorded. So if you are not free to come on Saturday, you can actually watch the recording. Lavanya, understand? Right. Okay. So it's a good recording for you to watch. It's free. All right. So please, if you can, please come for the lesson. Can, children? All right. So all these are the good stuff. All right. Good stuff for you guys. Oh. All right. So children, let's begin the lesson officially. I know I did some announcements, so sorry for that, but I think it's important. All right. So let's begin on today's work. Okay, so last week I gave you all one homework. All right, we were doing something called comparing fractions, right? Yeah. So I did tell you, in order to compare the fractions, right? In order to compare the fraction, what must you make the same? All right, in order to compare the fraction. This was the homework last week. All right, in order to compare fractions. All right, please remember to make what? Make the anyone? Make the what the same? Hello? All right. Yeah. Everybody's sleeping. Yes, Vanish Navi. Make the what the same? Tell me.
Make the numerator or denominator the same.
Okay, make the numerator or denominator the same. All right, but let's do the simple way first. Let's try to make the denominator the same. Is that okay? All right. In future, yes, in primary 4, I will teach you how to make the numerator the same and do your comparison. But now, because this is your first time doing fractions, so I will rather make the denominator the same for now. In future, primary 4, yes, you can make the numerator the same. Can? Okay, come. Rudran, can you please assist me? Looking at the denominator 12, 6, and 4. All right, Rudran.
Yeah.
So, how do I make them all the same? Tell me, Rudran. Make to what?
You must find what is it common in all three denominators.
Very good. Common multiples. So, Rudran, what's the common multiples that all 3 of them have it?
12.
Very good. My goodness, do you hear him say? Very clear. His answer is very clear. So down here we have 4, 6, and 12. So what is the multiple of 4? M4 means multiple of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. You can list them out like this. All right. M6. M6 is 6, 12, 18. All right. And M12 is like 12 timetable, 12, 24. Can you see? All right, but Rudran, right, his mental calculation is very fast. Immediately he tell me it's 12. It's correct. Can you see? So this is my listing method. All right, I'm trying to list out what is the common multiple. So let me put everybody as the common denominator, which is a 12. Okay? And what do you do? All right. This is something called equivalent fraction, which we did last week. All right. Equivalent fraction, you have to link it to your multiplication and division. Look here, children, look here. From 4, how do you get to 12? It's a times 3. If you times 3 to the denominator, you must times 3 to the numerator. 3 times 3 is a 9, not a 6. Be careful. Next, 6, how do you get to a 12? Times 2. If you times 2 to the denominator, what must you do to the numerator? You must times 2, which is a 10. This one is already 12. Very good. 11 just remain. And Shiloh, thank you for your answer. I saw your answer already. And your answer is correct. Beginning with the smallest. So down here, you need to start off with the smallest number. And down here must end off with the greatest number. All right. So smallest is who? You compare 9, 10, and 11. Who is the smallest? The smallest is 9. But please, children, you cannot write 9 over 12. You must write 3 over 4. Understand or not? All right. And who is the largest? 11 over 12. Write 11 over 12 here. And who is in the center? You cannot write 10 over 12. All right. If you write 10 over 12, your teacher will mark you wrong. All right. What must you write? You must write what the question gives you, which is 5 over 6. Do you understand the difference? Can, children? All right. And that is your answer. All right. Sure. You never answer properly. Right. Yes, Vanishavi, what happened? What did I do wrong?
No, I want to start another method. You don't have to make the numerator and denominator the same.
Okay, as I say, I know about the numerator method, but because there's a lot of students who are
Yeah,
new
but I have
to this.
another method.
Okay, what's the other method? Yes, Vanishavi?
From 5 over 6 and 3 out of 4, you can cross multiply. The which one is the smaller, you can cross multiply with 11 out of 12.
When you say cross multiply, what do you mean? Sorry.
That means like if you can 6 times 3, which is equal to 18. And 4 times 5 goes 20. So 18 is smaller. So 3 out of 4 and 11 out of 12 should also cross multiply. I have a method too.
Okay, wait, Vanishavi, wait. Okay, so you are saying that you're comparing 5 over 6, is it? And 3 over 4, is that true?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you do to cross multiply?
You put a line to 6 out of 3 to 6 to 3.
Put a line like this.
Yeah. Then you times 6 times 3.
Which is 18.
18.
Okay.
And 4 times 5.
Is?
20.
So you put a 20 here, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, then.
18. Then after that.
Okay, then in this case, who is the bigger one?
No, 20 is bigger one.
20 is the bigger one.
Yeah.
So 20 is the bigger one, means that which one? Is this one bigger or this one bigger?
So 5, 6 is bigger.
5, 6 is bigger because of the 20.
Yeah.
Okay. Then another comparison, what do you do?
Then after that, you do 3 out of 4 because it's small. 3 out of 4 with 11 out of 12.
Okay, then you cross multiply again. So this is
Yeah.
44.
Yeah.
And this one is
the other one
36.
is- yeah.
Okay, so if this one comes down, means that this one is smaller.
Yeah. So we can put it in order. 18, then after that is 44. After that is 20. Then after that 44, which is that 3 out of 4. Then 5 out of 6. Then 11 out of 12.
Yeah, so quite interesting. I never see this method before. All right, so 5 times 4, right? Okay, 5 times 4 will give you a 20, right? So 20 is bigger than 18. So this is bigger than this one, right? This is smaller one, correct or not? All right, then after that, she compared the 3 over 4 and 11 over 12. So 3 times 12 down here is 36. 36 is smaller than 11 over 12. So this is smaller. Is it? And this is bigger. Is that true?
Yeah, so you can write the number on top so you don't get confused.
Okay, so this one, the